After this we have they dash make a lot of noise. Now they is also a plural subject, so they are making a lot of noise. Their mother. Now their mother is a case in which you may say that this is your singular subject, their mother. Their mother is trying to rest. The maid, this is a singular subject, the maid is cooking lunch. You simply have to keep in mind what is your subject. If it is singular, then you will use singular helping verbs. If it is plural, then you will use plural helping verbs. And what you have to do, you have to just add ing at the end of each verb to make the requirement for the present continuous tense. The neighbor dash mow his lawn. The neighbor is mowing his lawn. The students are performing an experiment. Their teacher is supervising them. Cars are speeding along the highway. An aeroplane is flying overhead. He is unpacking his luggage. So you see, the simple present continuous tense is the very simplest tense. You just have to keep in your mind about the concept of plural and singular words, because that varies, because that matters too much. You have to put your helping verbs according to your subjects, and the verb first form and addition of ing is the very simplest thing. You just have to write ing at the end of every verb to make the requirement for the present continuous tense. So exercise number 1 is done over here. The next exercise is exercise number 2. And this exercise is saying that fill in the blank in each sentence with the correct past continuous tense form of the verb given in brackets. Now second exercise is to fill the sentences with the correct past continuous tenses. Now we is your subject, that is plural one, so we were. Do will change into doing, verb first form with the addition of ing. He was, because singular subject, he was sleeping. The students were arguing among themselves when the teacher came into the classroom. It was, because it basically refers to a thing, so thing is the singular one, so it was raining. When their mother came home from the show, the children is a plural subject, and we have to fill this blank according to this subject, children. So the children were preparing for bed. When we first knew John, he dashed at the Polytechnic. Now we have to fill this blank according to this he, which is singular one, so he was studying. The sun was shining brightly when we decided to go for a swim. Last week we visited a friend who. Now we have to fill this blank by referring this who. So who was recovering. This who is a singular subject from measles. When we came into the room, they dash play a game. They were, because the subject is plural one, so they were playing a game. When the phone rang, she dash have dinner. When the phone rang, she is a singular one, so she was having a dinner. So this is about this chapter in which we have done this exercise number 1, which is for the correct continuous tenses, present continuous tense, and this second exercise is for past continuous tense. So this is all about this chapter, which is of present and past continuous tenses. Hopefully you will get these two terms as well, and by solving the exercises you will get your concepts clear. So this is about this chapter, lesson number 8. Thank you.